Welcome to the world of automation. Midtown Honda brings you a one-of-its-kind express service kiosk to reshape the way customers interact with the service department for the service of their vehicle. Now say goodbye to long queues, save time, make a booking within minutes, easy and comfortable user interface, no more repeated checking, get notifications, and above all, make it a fun experience. Let's see how it works step by step. Step 1. Drive up to Service Kiosk. Step 2. Get to the touchscreen to begin with. You need to enter your phone number paired with your appointment, including other details like email address, etc. Follow all the instructions appearing on the touchscreen. Enter your information in order to start using Service Kiosk. Choose your appointment to review your selected services. You can always add more services if required. Once you enter all the information and confirm your appointment, Step 3. Key locker door will automatically open for you. Put your keys safely in the locker and close it properly. Step 4. When service work is complete, you will get pickup notification. Step 5. When you return to the kiosk, press the pickup button and follow the instruction on the touchscreen. You will need to sign off and review the services completed on your vehicle. Upon completion, you will pay the service fees with just one swipe of your card. Your key locker will automatically open and you can get your keys. Attendant will escort you to your vehicle's location. See you soon at our kiosk, getting a quick, flawless, and seamless service, and in return, treating us to your priceless smile of satisfaction.